the Kala SA-B Solid Acacia Baritone. Here we go. This is one of our best-selling baritones, Kala baritones. I've done videos before in the past, but let's update it a little bit. Just a nice, simple instrument with a few little upgrades here and there.
Yeah.
But solid acacia, I mean, that's a great wood. It's part of the koa, or koa is part of the acacia family. But you're getting it at a cheaper price because acacia is grown more places in the world than just Hawaii, like the koa wood is. Satin finish on this, but all solid, top, back, and sides. Has a very koa look though.
It does.
It's got a little bit of flame on it as well. But nice maple binding, so that kind of pops, that lightish, whitish maple really pops. And then what they did is they got that rope.
Which I like the rope.
The rope is just a real classic look. You see that on, and actually the rope around the rosette. You see that on some Kamarkas do that. Some Pepe Romero's does that as well. So really nice little feature here. Baritone, so you are the DG, B tuning. They have the Acacia strings on it, wound fourth and wound third that come with it. Laurel fretboard with kind of cool little unique.
It's pretty. Fancy.
Fret markers here on it. And then you have the slide to headstock on it. And this is one of the wraparound bridges here. But I mean, for a instrument at this price point to get all solid wood, that's what you want.
Yeah.
You're not breaking the bank. You know, it's a step up from the laminate baritones that are out there. But you're not up there in that higher price point that you see the Ponos, and definitely not the, the Guitarleles, the Kamarkas and stuff.
And, honestly, if you are still playing a laminate baritone, then you need to put that one down and get one of these solid instruments. It's night and day.
Game changer.
Night and day.
And really it's it's the warmth that you hear. And if you A-bead your solid versus a laminate, you hear that. And just the projection. That resonance that you hear only in a solid.
Which you can't,
wood.
you just can't get that with laminate.
Great instrument. We sell a lot of them, so we feel great about this. This is a Kala SA-B Solid Acacia Baritone at
CarryCarterMusicStore.com.